Hi everyone, this is Indy from the TLC team, and today I'm going to show you how to make an electronically accessible version of a TLC student handout. Whether this is a temporary adjustment to remote learning, a move to better adapt TLC to Google Classroom or another electronic platform, or a different reason altogether, you'll find that this is a pretty simple and straightforward way to get students working off paper. Before moving forward, one key skill you'll need is to be able to take a partial screenshot. Here are the keyboard shortcuts or tools for the platforms that you might need. On Windows, open the snipping tool from your Start menu. On Mac, use your keyboard and hit Command-Shift-4. And then on Chrome, hit Control-Shift and then the Show Windows key in the top row next to full screen. As always with our videos, feel free to pause as needed as you watch. Okay. Our first step is to get an image file of the worksheet. If you have it in hard copy, then this is easy. Scan it in, or take a picture on your phone or another device. Electronically, you can take a screenshot using the keyboard shortcuts or tools we showed you earlier. Today, we're highlighting the Empathy Map worksheet on page 85 of the high school guide. All right, let's take a screenshot. I'm on a Mac right now, so I'm going to use Command, Shift, and then 4 on my keyboard, and then highlight the portion I want. Now, once I do this, it's actually just going to automatically save the screenshot to my desktop. Next thing I'm going to do is actually just open up a new presentation on Google Slides. First things first, I'm going to change the layout to blank, just to make things a little bit more simple for me. Since I want this to match the handout, I'm going to click on File and Page Setup. And I'm actually going to change this to be the size of a piece of paper by clicking on Custom and then going to 8.5 by 11 inches. And you'll see that the slide size changed accordingly. Next, let's click on Background. I'll click on Choose Image and then navigate in this Upload tab to my screenshot. So I click on Desktop and I've got my screenshot right here. Let's go ahead and open that up. All right, we've got our background. The very last thing to do is to make the text boxes where you want students to input information. Go to the toolbar, click on this box with a T in it, and then drag those text boxes. To make sure the box stays in place, put in some filler text like insert text here so students know where they should type. That's it. The only other things that you have to do are to add any other formatting you want and then to decide on the best way to share it. We won't run down all of the sharing possibilities here since those really depend on what software you're using at your school. But make sure that each student gets a copy of this so they aren't editing your master copy. As always, please reach out if you need any assistance. We've gotten to work with a lot of schools as they've made the transition to virtual or blended learning, and we're here to help.